Ooh. Ooh, it's a beautiful Friday morning. Yesterday was Halloween. Tomorrow's my birthday. Again, we're going crappie fishing. That was the plan last time, and we caught other species besides that. We are currently off-road, so it might be a little bumpy. Headed to the lake. We're just gonna have a good day. That's the plan. Ooh. We're doing a little crappie fishing. Ooh. First one of the day. Ooh, number 2 of the day. Out here catching all the perch today. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Number 2. So we got the M1 out on the magic stick, and we're gonna go throw around the epic whip wad. It is so windy. I know the wind's really bad out here, but we're gonna give one of these Rego worms a try. Ah, this wind is bad. Fish have stopped biting. We caught 2 perch, so I guess we're gonna go back and see if we can dangle something. See if we can catch another fish. All around, successful day. 2 fish were caught. Just a beautiful day. Thank you for watching.